Hey guys, what is up? I'm back with another video. In this video we will be discussing about the Bitcoin chart analysis. Okay, so let's get to it. So one of the key points which we have found on the chart is basically the contraction that has formed. We could have predicted this crash. Basically Bitcoin has crashed by a few percentage, like we can say 4-5%, depending on your trade, or depending on the amount of income or the amount of shares you have purchased on Bitcoin. We can see right here, give me a sec. We can see that Bitcoin had crashed in the few coming days. For the past 4-5 days Bitcoin has been crashing, and this is due to the SEC basically suing Binance, and they are going to be suing Coinbase for now, and that will be it. We will be talking on that Coinbase being sued by the SEC in another video. So stay tuned for that as well. So if you can see here, Bitcoin had showed basically some of the few factors that we had seen. So we could have predicted Bitcoin's crash a long back. If you can see right here, contractions, basically contractions formed in the Bollinger Bands do indicate a huge turn up in the market or turn down in the market. Bitcoin did break up and break down, and this basically the sideways trend pattern. I think it's better if you note this down. Bitcoin's resistance level, which I have noted down, is at 27.256.92k, and the support level is at 26,623 US dollars. This is the support and resistance level, and this is the minor bars. So in my trading strategy, I basically use minor bars and major bars. This is a new term which I've developed for myself. So if we can see minor fluctuations between the market support and resistance levels, or depending on Bitcoin, basically depending on the asset you're basically trading, we can see the major support and resistance levels are already marked by using this indicator known as the pivots high and low analysis and forecast, which I'll be discussing in another video. This is on the 20-day, basically the 20-day moving average, and that is the Bollinger Bands, which are forecasted on the 20 EMA. So we can see right here, Bitcoin has gone low, and it's playing out the same game for quite this week. I think by the end of this week we could expect Bitcoin to be playing in the minor bars, basically the minor support and resistance level. Let me just delete these drawings here so it can be more clear for you guys. So Bitcoin has been playing in between these. You can see minor fluctuations in between these minor support and resistance levels, and major fluctuations between the major bars, basically support and resistance. Bitcoin has broken down as well. Right over here, Bitcoin has broken down. It broke down and it did push up as well, and it reached the minor resistance level, which is right over here. So we can't play out. I won't trade right now because it's too risky for me, as I'm a small investor, basically a small trader, as you can see, because I want to do short term, right? So I'm basically a day trader rather than an investor. So we could expect Bitcoin to be showing some signals, like candlestick patterns. Over here we can see one of the candlestick patterns formed is basically a hammer candlestick pattern, which is over here, which is formed. This shows that there is not enough buying pressure, not enough buying momentum, which showed that there would be a more of selling pressure, and that's what it did. There was a more of a bullish engulfing candle right over here, which indicated more selling pressure. Henceforth the more of short, basically you would rather go short than going long, right? So I would expect you to be updated, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I'll be posting a new update video soon. Basically this is on India timing, so right now it's 10:42. This is my update in the night, because I basically focus on other trading courses as well. I know you guys won't be interested in that, because this is what my job is, right? I need to be focusing on trading. So be grateful for everything you have, right? And I'll be posting a new video soon on Bitcoin's update. As soon as possible I'll be updating. So stay tuned for that and keep grinding.